Hi everyone, today we're in Module 4 of Level E of VMath, Understanding Fractions and Equivalents. We are on Lesson 7, so turn to page 31 to follow along and take notes. Equivalent fractions. These are fractions that represent or name the same number. So here are some examples. We can see 1/2 of the circle is shaded in here. Here, 1/2 is still shaded in, but it's broken into fourths, so 2/4 is the same as 1/2. Here we have 3/6 is the same as 1/2. And here, 4/8 is the same as 1/2. So you will be able to practice equivalent fractions today. So here we are getting started. So we have the shaded over the total. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 that are shaded. So we're going to put 4 right here, and the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then our fraction is 4/8. Here we have the shaded total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are shaded. 8 out of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So look here. Here we have 4/8. And then if you do 4/8, and if you multiply by 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, remember 2 over 2 is 1 whole. You're just multiplying by 1, you get an equivalent fraction. You get 8, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So 8/16 is the same as 4/8. Here we have 2 are shaded out of 2, 3, 4 total, so 2/4. Now, same thing to make an equivalent fraction. Here we have 4/8, but now instead of timesing by 2, we're going to divide by 2 on top and bottom. So you're just dividing by 1, because remember, 2 over 2 equals 1. So when we divide, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, so we can see that 4/8 is the same as or equivalent to 2/4. Okay, down here we have number 4, 7/9. So then we look here, we have 9 times, we only know 36 over here. So 9 times what is 36? 9 times 4 is 36. So if we multiply by 4 on the bottom, we have to multiply by 4 on the top. 7 times 4 is 28. So that means that 7/9 is the same as 28 over 36. This says, Barry and Wayne ate lunch at a pizza shop. The amount of pizza Barry has left is shown. Wayne has the same amount of pizza left. What fraction of each pizza is left? So, Barry's pizza was cut into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and he has 1 of those left. Now, Wayne's pizza was cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So we need to find the equivalent fraction. He had the same amount. 1/4 equals something over 8. So we need to figure it out. Well, we know 4 times 2 is 8. So if we do times 2 on the bottom, we have to do times 2 on the top. 1 times 2 is 2. So 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. Those are the same thing. So that means over here we'd have to shade in 1, 2 pieces. And then we would have 2/8 is left of Wayne's. All right, write an equivalent fraction for each fraction. I'm going to make this a little bigger so we can see that. So, number 5 says 10/12. So 10/12 equals something over 24. Well, we know 12 times 2 is 24, so that means we would have to do times 2 on the top. Same thing. 10 times 2 is 20. So 20 over 24 is the same as 10/12. So now here we're looking. We're going from 4/16. We're going down to 2. So we're not multiplying, we're dividing here. We got to divide by something. So we know 4 divided by 2 is 2. 16 divided by 2, you guessed it, you have to divide by the same thing. If you divide by 2 on the top, you have to divide by 2 on the bottom. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So now you know that 4/16 is the same as 2/8. Number 7, 5/15. So again, we're going from 15, we're getting lower, so we're dividing here. So we're going to have to write divided by and divided by. Well, 15 divided by 5 is 3. If we divide by 5 on the bottom, we have to divide by 5 on the top. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 5/15 is the same as 1/3. And number 8 on this page, 2/7 equals something with 6 as the numerator. Well, 2 times 3 equals 6. If we do times 3 on top, we have to do times 3 on bottom. 7 times 3 is 21. So that means that 6 over 21 is the same as 2/7. Okay, so write an equivalent fraction. Here we have symbols 2/6 equals 2/6, and then we did times 4 on top, times 4 on bottom to get 8/24. So multiply both the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Or divide both the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. So here, 2/6, they did 2/6 divided by 2 on top and bottom equals 1/3. Okay, on your own, you're going to complete page 33. Make sure to show work so that you get those equivalent fractions correct. Good luck.